Wow, Gosha, what's that?
Ooh, for the ocean. Nice. Look at that.
What is this,
It's a floater. What is that? A canoe floater?
It's a shark.
It's a shark.
Shark.
Wow.
What do you
Look at
see?
that. Gosha, no sitting. Come open some gifts. Here's another one. This one. Which one is, who is that from? Is that from Mama and Papa? That's right, from Mama and Papa.
What is that, Gosha? What is that?
Diving sticks
Diving sticks.
and goggles.
Yeah. Gosha, you could dive and pick it up. The diving sticks. Wow, this is a big one.
Gosha, open the card. That present has a card. What does it say? Find the card. Find it.
I don't know.
It's there. Isn't it there?
Yes, sir.
No, you have to look. Let's practice observing. Oh,
Oops.
I don't see it. I thought I stuck it on one of the Maybe. Oh, no wonder he couldn't find it. Sorry. Whose present is this from? From who?
Ellen.
Okay. Open the card. Open the card. Look at the card. It's from outer space. Oh, what does it say?
Gosha, read slow.
Just for you, because you so special. Happy birthday.
That's right. Okay, now you can open the gift. Let's see if you can open it now.
Mom always Gosha's presents.
Gosha's presents
Open
is
your
in
gift
here.
from Miss Ellen. Open it. You want to put it on the floor?
Open.
Open it.
Gosha,
Open.
Gosha, where is Gosha's presents? Where?
Oh, look, you got flowers, Gosha. Smart move. Put it on the floor. That's right. That's how you do it. Open it. What is that? Do you know what this is? Take it out of the box. Let's see if you know what it is. What is that, Gosha?
Papa's.
No? What is it?
Miss Ellen's. Miss Ellen's.
But what is it?
I don't know.
Take it out. Oh, let's pull this out. What is that? What do you think that is? What is it?
Chair.
What kind of chair?
Miss Ellen's chair.
No, it's not mine. Miss Evelyn gave to Gosha.
Miss Ellen Gosha's present.
Uh-huh. The Gosha, Miss Evelyn gift for Gosha.
For Gosha.
What is it?
For Gosha's present.
What kind of present? Do you know what it
Miss
is?
Ellen and Gosha's
No, just Gosha's present. I don't sit on this. What is it for?
chair. Gosha's chair.
What kind of chair? Do you think that this is a... Do you think this is a lounge chair or a massage chair?
Massage chair.
Oh, let's try it out. Come on. Let's put it somewhere and plug it in. I don't know where to put it. Put it right
What?
here.
Who's Gosha's present?
Gosha,
This is your
those
present.
all Gosha's presents.
Look.
Gosha, wait, we're not open it, wait.
Gosha, come here.
Come on, try this one. Wow, this is Vadim like it.
Here, we gotta plug it in first, Goshita. Get your remote. Find it. How do you think this works? Can you find the power button? And now what do you want to do? Oh, now you know what this is for.
How do you feel, Gosha? Wow, this is Vadim like it. How do you feel, Gosha?
Happy.
It has a strap on the back, so you can put it on. I'm not gonna put it on, but it does. It has
It looks good.
It was like brand new.
Wow.
This is really good. Do you like it, Gosha?
Yes. Show me smile.
he's like so serious.
Gosha, don't press any button. Lay back, Gosha, lay back. Gosha, that's how it's supposed to.
Nice. What do you need to say, Gosha?
Happy birthday.
No, you have to say when someone give you the presents. What do you need to say?
Go.
You're welcome, Gosha.
Thank you, Gosha.
He's not really sure if he likes his present or not.
Thank you. Go hug. I want to open another
Okay, open another.
Oh, what's this?
That's a toys for swimming pool, Gosha. Toys for swimming pool.
Do they light up?
Yes, they changed the color a little.
He's going to love that.
Mhm.
He doesn't seem to
Bec-
mind so
he
much,
doesn't
but
know.
when he sees in the water, he's
Yes, and the sticks he likes to dive in.
Oh, squirter gun. Woo!
Ooh, Vlada explain to Gosha what's that.
Oh my gosh.
Squirters.
Read the card first. Father to question from Vlada. Take the card.
He needs a little help.
What's it? To question from Vlada. Read the card.
Gosha, read slow.
Hope. Happy birthday, Gosha.
Okay, can you read it?
Gosha, no, you have to read, please. Open and read.
I can't believe you really are. It feels as if you were only 6 just yesterday. I wish that you would have an amazing 12 years of your life and continue to be very happy, cute, 2 thumbs up, just not all day long, but all the time. May all the wishes come true. From home, my heart, your sister Vlada. Hope your birthday leaves you're feeling very, very special. You know.
Nice.